was a golden opportunity, so he played along with the fantasy and agreed a deal to exhibit Joyce for 7 months, all for just $1,000.
I am going to show you how to make the animation you see on the screen in Capcut PC inspired by MagnatesMedia, but I will add my own style. All the files such as PNG, green screen, transition, paper effect used in this clip. I will give you link in the description, feel free to download it. Let's jump into today's video. Open Capcut and import all the materials. First, I will drag this village image to the timeline, and also this man PNG to the timeline. Set it on the village image. To remove the white background from it, here click on cutout, select the auto cut, so the white area of PNG will be removed. Adjust its size as I do. You can adjust its size by simply dragging it from the corners. Now it's time to add animation to it. To animate it, select Animation tab. Choose this animation, also increase the duration here. After this, it's time to add the green screen transition. To add it, simply drag it to timeline and set it on the PNGU. Adjust the duration of the images as of green screen transition. Let's remove the green screen from the transition. To move forward. To remove transition, select cutout option again and enable chroma key. Pick green color. Drag this line to full. Let's preview it. It looks good till now, but we have to make certain changes. I will look forward to adjust the transition. To adjust it, select adjustment option and drag these 3 lines to full. Go to HSL and do nothing. Select curves and drag the first one to upward corner. Return to the main menu by clicking on the basic, and you will be able to notice changes in the clip that we are editing from.
2,000 years.
Replay the clip and adjust the duration of the images, and do it until you are tired of it. Sorry, just kidding. Once you adjust its durations, it's time to add some keyframes. At first, I will add keyframe to the transition. To add the keyframe, simply enable this options and keyframe will be added. Give some space and timeline between keyframes. Adjust the position of the transition, put 179 in position. You can adjust it by dragging this line or simply write it in this box. Once you replay it, it will be animated. And also add same keyframes at same place to the image and PNG. As the keyframes are added, select 3 of them and create a compound clip. After creating compound clip, now I will add animation so it can look smooth and better. So I will add this zoom out animation. But doesn't show that smooth, don't worry, if you increase its duration it will be much better. The animation is as smooth as butter, as we wanted. It's time to add effects. Before proceeding, let me remind you that smash that subscribe button and also like the video. So let's move forward. I will add the effect that is similar to MagnatesMedia's one. Go to Effects, select Light Effects, and choose Halo, drag it to the clip. As you drag it on the clip, I will edit the effect as I need. Let's check it from the start. Its speed is too much for me, so I will reduce its speed to 3. I will cut the effect from start and set it where the clip is zooming in. It's too much from left side too. I will set it till I need. The effect is all set and this part of animation is done. It's time to add the paper animation. Also the little text highlight effect. Drag the paper effect to timeline. Set it on the point where the first animation zooms in. To remove green screen, select cutout option. Enable chroma lay and pick green color. Drag this line to full, and green screen will be removed. As the green screen is removed, adjust the size of the paper. The paper should be as small as the man's head. Let's add animation to the paper so it looks good. Select Animation tab and choose the animation that I do. Replay it so we can judge which one better suits the video. I think it's good to go this one better suits the paper effect. Let's adjust the size of the paper animation to make it more precise. Close uniform scale, set the height to 74 and width to 53, and also turn on uniform scale. It's time to add text similar to MagnatesMedia, and also highlight that. To add text, click on text and drag it to timeline, set it on the paper animation. Select the text and make it small so it can be within the paper animation. Once you do this, now click here to remove text and write here whatever you want. Choose the font that is similar to MagnatesMedia. Convert font color to black. Right here as I write. Add Type 2 animation to the font. To highlight text, go to Google and search for Redline PNG. You will get many results. Download the one that you like the most. After downloading, import it and make it small so it can fit on the text. Select blending, choose the multiply so the text is visible through it. To animate it, go to mask option and choose the horizontal option. Rotate the horizontal as I do. Now drag it to the start and add a keyframe in the mask option. As you add the keyframe, drag it to the end and it will be animated. If you replay it, text will be highlighted. Select all of them and create compound clip. It's time to add effects to the clip. Simply select effects and go to nightclub. Choose the shake or pendulum effect. And the video will be ready. It is as simple as that. If you enjoyed watching the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press bell icon so you stay tuned for the next update.